And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
So many states with an impact from winter weather right now. When you look at the satellite and radar, all the way from Maine through New England, back through New York, and all the way down into Texas. In fact, right now in Houston, Texas, it is sleet and freezing rain icing up the roads in southeast Texas. Well, we just have rain. How can that happen? Well, if you're in the green, your temperatures are still above freezing. But you flip over to where it's pink and white, that's where the temperatures are cold enough for some snow. And there's got to be a frontal boundary there. And there is, and that's what's advancing closer to our region for the day tomorrow. In the meantime, fog. Visibility, less than a half mile, quarter mile, 3/4 of a mile. It is dense fog to the point where at times it's near zero visibility, and that will hamper your travel through the evening hours. But ice will not. It's just wet roads, temperatures in the 40s, and the first part of this system from now until almost mid-morning tomorrow for Rhode Island and southeastern Mass is just simply a rain event. Some fog tonight. Your temperatures stay put. They might even go up a few degrees by morning. So at 3 a.m., it is mainly a rain event. But as we progress through the day tomorrow, in that frontal boundary, you know I just showed you green, pink, and white. Well, that colder air is going to eventually win out. And therefore, your temperatures drop throughout the day. 40s become 30s, become 20s. And there's going to be tremendous amounts of water on that road. You have a half an inch of rain, 3/4 of an inch of rain falling tonight, plus your rapidly melting snow, and there's nowhere for this water to go. And then you drop the temperatures, and you got freezing rain, sleet falling, and all that water, and you can't pre-treat the roads because you're going to wash away it all by the morning. So what happens? You get ice. And a winter weather advisory issued for the area for tomorrow, and it kicks in at 6 a.m., but the biggest impact for our area will likely be for the afternoon. Once the front decides to move south, it's game on. So rain changes over to snow and freezing rain and sleet to the north. We'll probably not get into as much snow with this system. This will be more of a freezing rain and sleet event, but nonetheless, don't need snow accumulations when you have a little bit of ice. It goes a long way. Right now, it's just raining for most of Rhode Island, and it will continue to rain for parts of Rhode Island and southeastern Mass overnight. It's mainly a light to moderate rainfall until the early morning hours when it could become a bit more heavy at times. Notice where the freezing rain sleet line is at 7 a.m. That will sag south, so Cumberland, Woonsocket, Attleboro, North Attleboro, and areas like Burrville get into it first by late morning, and then that line slips south and includes the Providence metro area through noon, and then to the evening, still some slick spots all the way down to the coast with light freezing rain, sleet, and freezing temperatures. On Saturday, the system's gone, but behind it's cold temperatures, but at least it's bright and sunny, and it will stay bright and sunny for Sunday too. Temperatures near 30 by the second half of the weekend. Besides a few flurries on Tuesday, a quiet week next week for now. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s, John.
Thank you, Jeff. A 17-degree drop.